Hey there, real estate pros! Welcome to this deep dive into AI-optimized real estate lead generation. Cash in on hot markets. If you're an agent, broker, or investor looking to crush it in 2026, you're in the right place. The real estate game has evolved big time. Gone are the days of cold calls and generic flyers. Today, it's all about leveraging artificial intelligence to spot scorching hot markets, generate high-quality leads, and turn them into cash faster than ever. By the end of this 10-minute script, you'll have actionable strategies to supercharge your business. Let's jump in. First off, why AI in 2026? The market is more competitive and data-driven than ever. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer that automates the grunt work, predicts trends, and personalizes everything. According to industry insights, agents using AI tools are seeing lead conversion rates skyrocket by up to 30 to 50% while cutting costs on outdated tactics. Imagine sifting through mountains of data to find buyers ready to pull the trigger. That's the power we're talking about. To cash in, you gotta know where the heat is. Hot markets in 2026 aren't just about low inventory or rising prices. They're driven by life events, economic shifts, and behavioral signals. AI excels here with predictive analytics. Tools like Revaluate or custom AI models analyze data from public records, social media, and even satellite imagery to forecast where demand will explode. For example, AI can identify homeowners likely to sell based on factors like job changes, family expansions, or equity buildup. In booming areas like Austin or Miami, where migration patterns are shifting due to remote work and climate appeal, AI spots these early. Here's how to get started. Use AI-powered platforms to scan for signal-based marketing. Instead of blasting everyone, prioritize contacts with high propensity to move scores. One strategy is integrating AI with your CRM to monitor life event triggers, think divorce filings, or empty nest syndromes, and target those leads in real time. In hot markets, this means you're not chasing cold leads. You're engaging warm ones who are 5 to 10 times more likely to convert. Cash in by focusing on micro markets. Use geocode filters in AI tools to hyper-target neighborhoods with rising search intent, like those near new tech hubs or infrastructure projects. Pro tip: combine this with web data from sources like Zillow or Redfin APIs to predict price surges. Agents in 2026 who do this are closing deals 20% faster, turning hot markets into personal gold mines. Now, let's talk tools, the heart of AI-optimized lead gen. In 2026, autonomous AI agents are running the show, handling everything from initial contact to nurturing. Top players like Ilopo and Lofty use multi-agent systems. One AI qualifies leads via chat, another schedules showings, and a third analyzes engagement data. These aren't basic chatbots. They're smart systems that learn from interactions and adapt. Virtual staging is a killer app. AI tools like those from Homestack or Roof.ai transform empty rooms into styled masterpieces in seconds, boosting buyer interest by 40% at a fraction of traditional staging costs. Pair this with AR previews and live stream tour, immersive content that's perfect for hot markets where buyers want instant gratification. Social media, AI amps it up. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram use AI-assisted targeting to personalize ads based on predicted behavior. Create AI-generated videos that insert prospect names and property details for hyper-personalization. And don't sleep on answer engine optimization (EO). Structure your content as Q&A to rank in AI searches like Google's overviews or ChatGPT. Driving organic leads without paid ads. For CRM, AI versions like those from Maya Frontask automate follow-ups, score leads by response time, and even predict pricing. In hot markets, this means responding to inquiries in seconds, not hours, a huge edge when competition is fierce. Alright, tools are great, but strategy seals the deal. First, automate everything. AI handles 70% of initial interactions, freeing you for high-touch closings. In hot markets, use AI for hyperlocal campaigns, Target ads to specific zip codes with rising demand, like emerging suburbs in Phoenix or Nashville. Personalization is key to cashing in. AI analyzes your data to suggest tailored properties, increasing conversions. For instance, if a lead searches for family homes, AI pushes listings with school ratings and playground proximity. Combine this with predictive pricing. AI crunches market data to set optimal prices, helping sellers in hotspots maximize profits. Case in point, a Brazilian firm using AI virtual assistants generated 3,000 leads monthly. In the US, agents ditching portal leads for AI-predicted ones are saving on referral fees now up to 35 to 40% and focusing on their databases. Result, higher margins and repeat business. To scale, integrate AI with traditional tactics. Host AI-enhanced open houses with virtual tour for remote buyers. Or use AI to optimize email campaigns for 25% higher open rates. Of course, it's not all smooth. Data privacy is huge. Ensure your AI tools comply with regs like GDPR. Over-reliance on AI can feel impersonal, so blend it with human touch. Start small. Pick one tool, like a free AI CRM trial, and test in a hot market you're familiar with. Pro tips: track raw obsessively. AI dashboards make this easy. Train your team. 2026 winners are AI fluent. Diversify. Mix paid AI ads with organic AI content. There you have it. AI optimized lead gen is your ticket to cashing in on hot markets in 2026. Don't just survive. Dominate by embracing these tools and strategies. Head to platforms like Roof.ai or Elopo to get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment on your favorite AI hack. Thanks for watching. Go make those leads rain.